A big blow to the DOJ's case against New York AG Letitia James and former FBI Director James Comey.
All right, a federal judge dismissed the indictments against them today. Fox 5's Sharon Crowley live in the newsroom with more on today's big developments. Sharon.
Yeah, a lot happening this afternoon, Steve. The court concluding the prosecutor on both cases was illegally appointed by the Justice Department. The U.S. District Judge decided interim U.S. Attorney Lindsay Halligan was unlawfully appointed to the role. The ruling is a big victory for Comey and James. They both argued their prosecutions were motivated by President Trump's attempt to punish his enemies. The judge ordered the indictments would be dismissed without prejudice. That means prosecutors can file the same charges later on. Comey was indicted for making false statements and obstructing Congress. James was charged soon after that in a mortgage fraud investigation.
If you believe in the rule of law and you believe in the Constitution, this is a huge win. This is not about whether you like Trump or just like Comey. It's not whether you like Trump and you just like James. There has to be a process. There has to be a Constitution that we all adhere to. There has to be the rule of law. And this judge came down and very clearly and based in evidence, based in other decisions, based in statute said, this case must be dismissed.
Well, the Attorney General reacting, as you can see there, in a quote saying, "I am heartened by today's victory and grateful for the prayers and support I have received from around the country." Comey also releasing a statement on social media.
I'm grateful that the court ended the case against me, which was a prosecution based on malevolence and incompetence.
I know there was a judge who is clearly trying to shield Letitia James and James Comey from receiving accountability, and that's why they took this unprecedented action to throw away the indictments against these two individuals. But the Department of Justice will be appealing very soon.
That, of course, White House Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt with her reaction from the President Trump's team. And as you heard her say, she is vowing to appeal this ruling. Steve.
All right, thanks, Sharon.